If you're over 60 and you've noticed your arms feeling a little weaker, your legs not moving quite like they used to, or stairs suddenly feeling like mountains, you're not alone. Millions of older adults silently experience muscle loss every single year, and most don't even realize it until it's too late. It starts slowly. You avoid lifting things, your balance isn't what it was, and everyday tasks become tiring. But what if I told you there's one powerful food, yes, just one, that science now shows can actually reverse muscle loss, even in your 70s or 80s? This isn't hype. It's backed by research, it's natural, it's affordable, and best of all, you might already have it in your kitchen. In this video, we're diving deep into this zero-carb, zero-sugar superfood that helps rebuild muscle, protect joints, support balance, and reignite your strength from the inside out. And no, it's not a supplement, a fancy protein shake, or anything synthetic. This is real, wholesome food that nourishes your muscles and fuels your body the way nature intended. But before we reveal what it is, you need to understand what's really happening inside your body after 60. Around age 50, our muscles start shrinking, a condition called sarcopenia, caused by changes in hormones, inflammation, and reduced protein absorption. This silent process leads to weakness, fatigue, falls, and in some cases, complete loss of independence. But here's the hopeful part: muscle loss is not permanent. With the right nutrition, the body can rebuild what it's lost. And among all foods tested, researchers found one nutrient-dense champion that activates muscle repair, enhances strength, and supports longevity, without raising your blood sugar. Alright, let's get to it. The food that's turning heads in the medical community, helping seniors rebuild lost muscle, improve mobility, and regain confidence, is none other than eggs. Yes, simple, humble eggs. But not just any eggs. We're talking about pasture-raised, whole eggs, rich in bioavailable protein, leucine, a key amino acid for muscle repair, vitamin D, and healthy fats, all of which your aging muscles desperately need. Now, if you're thinking, really? Just eggs? Don't be fooled by their simplicity. Because studies from institutions like the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that older adults who eat eggs daily see significantly better muscle retention compared to those who don't. Why? Because eggs contain complete protein, which means they have all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. These amino acids act like construction workers, showing up every morning to repair and rebuild muscle fibers that have broken down due to age or inactivity. And here's the best part: eggs are zero sugar, virtually zero carbs, and gentle on the digestive system, making them a perfect choice for seniors managing diabetes, inflammation, or gut issues. One large egg contains around 6 grams of high-quality protein, and research shows that seniors need even more protein per meal than younger adults to trigger muscle growth. That means starting your day with 2 to 3 eggs for breakfast could literally shift your body into rebuild mode. And remember, don't skip the yolk. That's where most of the nutrients live. Vitamin B12 for energy, choline for brain health, and vitamin D for bone strength. Still skeptical? Consider this. In one real-life case, a 74-year-old woman named Helen added 2 eggs and a handful of spinach to her morning routine. Within 6 weeks, she reported better balance, more energy, and the ability to lift her grocery bags again without strain. Her doctor confirmed measurable improvements in her muscle strength and stamina. Eggs don't just feed your muscles, they support your entire system. In Part 3, we'll show you exactly how to add this superfood into your diet the right way, what time to eat it, what to pair it with, and what to avoid, so you get the maximum muscle-boosting results. Plus, a few common mistakes seniors make with eggs that could actually block their benefits. You won't want to miss that. Stay with us, your body will thank you for it. Now that we know eggs are a secret weapon for reversing muscle loss after 60, the next question is, how do you use them the right way? Because believe it or not, most people eat eggs wrong, especially older adults who need their nutrition to work harder for their bodies. So today, I'm giving you a step-by-step guide on how to turn this everyday food into a daily muscle-building ritual. White heavy check mark Step 1. Timing is everything. If you want the maximum muscle repair effect, eat your eggs first thing in the morning. Why? Because after 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is in a fasting state. Your muscles are literally hungry for protein. Giving them high-quality amino acids early in the day helps jumpstart repair and energy production. Waiting until lunch or dinner, you miss the critical anabolic window, that short period where your muscles are most responsive to nutrients. White heavy checkmark. Step 2. Pair smart. Eating eggs alone is great, but pairing them with muscle-supporting veggies like spinach, bell peppers, or mushrooms gives your body extra fiber, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory support. Add in a small serving of healthy fat, like avocado or olive oil, and you've just created the perfect breakfast formula for strength, stamina, and gut health. And yes, it tastes amazing too. White heavy checkmark. Step 3. Don't fear the yolk. This is one of the biggest mistakes seniors make. They throw away the yolk thinking it's unhealthy or too much cholesterol. But the truth, the yolk is where most of the magic lives. It contains vitamin D for bones, B12 for energy, choline for brain function, and healthy fats that actually support heart health when eaten as part of a balanced diet. The science is clear. Seniors who eat whole eggs, not just whites, have better nutrient absorption and stronger muscle response. Crossmark. Common mistake. Avoid frying eggs in heavy oils or pairing them with processed meats like sausages or bacon every morning. These foods add inflammation, unhealthy fats, and reduce the muscle-boosting effects of eggs. Instead, soft-boiled, scrambled, or poached are best for nutrient retention and gentle digestion. Direct hit bonus tip. If you can, choose pasture-raised or omega-3 enriched eggs. These eggs come from healthier hens and contain higher levels of anti-inflammatory nutrients, which support joint health and immunity too. Remember, this isn't just about building biceps, it's about staying independent, active, and strong well into your 70s and 80s. Just imagine being able to lift a grandchild, carry groceries, walk confidently, or garden without strain, all because you gave your body the right fuel at the right time. Now that you've added the most powerful muscle repair food, eggs, to your daily routine, it's time to unlock the second half of the muscle rebuilding equation, movement. But don't worry, you don't need a gym membership, expensive machines, or painful workouts. What you do need is just 10 to 15 minutes a day, a little consistency, and the right kind of exercises designed specifically for older adults. Because here's the truth, even the best diet can't fully rebuild muscle on its own. Your body needs a signal, a reason, to grow stronger. And gentle, targeted exercises provide exactly that signal. When paired with a nutrient-rich breakfast, like your egg-powered meal, they create a powerful synergy that tells your body, it's time to grow. So here are 4 science-backed exercises that are safe, simple, and proven to boost strength, stabilize joints, and fight sarcopenia, all from the comfort of your own home. White heavy checkmark. 1. Sit to stand, chair squats. This one movement mimics getting up from a chair, and it's the #1 indicator of lower body strength in seniors. Simply sit in a sturdy chair, keep your feet flat, and stand up without using your hands. Then slowly sit back down. Do this for 8 to 10 repetitions, twice a day. This builds strength in your legs, hips, and core, improves balance, and helps prevent falls. White heavy checkmark. 2. Wall push UPS. Not the floor version. Wall push-ups are perfect for building upper body strength, especially arms, shoulders, and chest. Stand facing a wall, place your hands shoulder-width apart, and slowly lower your body toward the wall, then push back. Do 10 reps, rest, and repeat once. This exercise is especially helpful for regaining strength needed for carrying bags or lifting light weights. White heavy checkmark. 3. Hill raises. Stand behind a chair, holding it lightly for balance. Slowly rise onto your toes, hold for 3 seconds, and lower. Do this 10 to 15 times. This strengthens your calves and ankles, improves circulation, and enhances your walking stability. It's a fantastic way to protect against trips and stumbles. White heavy checkmark. 4. Arm circles or light dumbbell raises. No watts. Use 2 water bottles. With arms extended out to the sides or front, make slow, small circles or lift upward. These gentle movements build shoulder mobility and help reduce stiffness, great for dressing, reaching overhead, or carrying items. Direct hit bonus tip. Do these exercises in the morning right after breakfast when your body is fueled and alert. This helps your muscles absorb more protein and recover faster, what experts call protein plus resistance synergy. And if you do just 10 minutes a day, that's over 60 hours of movement a year, all contributing to a stronger, more independent you. Now, picture this, you're over 65, maybe even 75, but you're standing taller, walking steadier, lifting groceries with ease, and feeling more in control of your body than you have in years. That's not a dream, it's a choice. And it starts with a few eggs, a few moves, and the decision to give your body what it truly needs. So here's your simple 3-step morning ritual to reverse muscle loss. Egg: eat 2 to 3 whole eggs with veggies and healthy fats. Droplet: drink a glass of water to hydrate muscles. Man running: do 10 minutes of strength-based movement. Repeat that daily, and in just a few weeks, you'll notice real, powerful changes, inside and out. Waving hand: final thoughts. Aging is inevitable. But losing strength, balance, and independence? That's not. You have the power to slow it, stop it, even reverse it, starting today. If this video helped you, share it with a friend, a parent, a loved one. Because everyone deserves to feel strong again, at any age. White heavy check mark. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trusted health tips for seniors. And remember, you're never too old to rebuild. Flexed biceps.